Two-factor authentication not working on EquityMultiple Fix. If your two-factor authentication isn't working on EquityMultiple, don't worry, it's one of the most common login problems investors face. But here's the good news. In most cases, it's a quick and simple fix. Let's start with the most common cause: time synchronization. Two-factor authentication codes rely on precise timing between your device and EquityMultiple's servers. If your phone's clock is off by even a few seconds, your codes won't match. To fix this, go to your phone settings, enable Set Time automatically, and restart your phone. If you're using Google Authenticator, open the app, tap Time Correction for codes, and press Sync now. Next, check that you're using the latest code from your Authenticator app. Remember, these refresh every 30 seconds. If you enter a code that's just expired, it won't work. If you're using SIM's verification and not receiving codes, try toggling airplane mode, switching to mobile data, or restarting your phone. Some carriers delay short code messages, so this can help refresh the connection. Another common issue is outdated software. Update both your EquityMultiple app and your Authenticator app to the latest version to make sure they're working properly together. If you've lost access to your Authenticator app or switched phones, you'll need to recover your account. Go to EquityMultiple's login page, click Can't Access FA, and follow the steps to verify your identity. Once verified, you can reset and re-enable your two-factor authentication. Here's a quick tip after recovery: always save your backup recovery code securely. I'll allow you to restore FA instantly if you lose access again. Most people get this wrong, but the truth is FA issues aren't security breaches, they're sync or setup errors. So if your two-factor authentication isn't working on EquityMultiple, take a minute to check your clock, sync your app, and update your software. Within minutes, you'll be back in your account, investing safely and confidently.